You are going to love the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.